In this session, let's learn about one important memory structure called program global area. The program global area is a private memory region which contains the data and the control information for a server process. Okay, each server process has a distinct program global area. You see here in our example, we have three server processes and each server process has its own program global area. Even in our previous example, you see we have three user process and there are three server processes here, and each server process has its own program global area, right? So access to this program global area is purely restricted to the server process. Okay, this PGA is allocated whenever the server process is created and is deallocated whenever the process is terminated. And now within that program global area, we have small memory structures. The main one is the stack space. This stack space is used to hold all the session variables, the arrays, and some other important information. Okay, and here we have the user global area which has cursor state, user session data, sort area, hash area, create bitmap area, bitmap merge area. Cursor state is used whenever Oracle has to deal with cursors, and the user session data is used to store the control information about a session. The sort area is used for sort operations whenever a user runs a SQL statement with a order by or a group by. Whenever the Oracle database has to perform hash joins, it uses this hash area. And whenever Oracle database is creating bitmap indexes, that is when it will use the create bitmap area. And the bitmap merge area is used to resolve the bitmap index plan execution. Like this, these different small structures within your program global area are used for different purposes. And remember, this program global area is not shared with all the users. It is very specific to the server process. Okay?